The Call for Justice, the story of a judge and a white man. Once, in a small town nestled between rolling hills, lived a respected judge named Samuel Dawson. He was known for his unwavering commitment to justice, a man who believed in fairness above all else. His courtroom was where truth and righteousness were expected to prevail, regardless of one's status, background, or skin color. One day, a case arrived that would test his integrity like never before. A white man named Richard Matthews, a wealthy businessman from a nearby city, was accused of embezzling funds from his company. The case quickly gained attention, not only because of the serious nature of the crime but also because of the accused's social standing. Richard Matthews was a powerful figure in the region, known for his generosity to local charities and his influence over many prominent people in the town. Many in the community believed that his wealth and status would shield him from the consequences of his actions. Whispers spread, suggesting that Judge Dawson might be swayed by Richard's reputation and connections. However, Samuel Dawson was resolute. He had built his career on the foundation of equality and impartiality, and he would not allow any external pressures to influence his judgment. As the trial unfolded, Richard's defense team put forward compelling arguments, using his contributions to the town and his clean record to cast doubt on the accusations. They painted him as a man who had made an honest mistake, one that could be easily forgiven. Despite the emotional appeals and public pressure, Judge Dawson remained calm and composed. He listened to every piece of evidence presented, weighing it carefully. He knew that justice could not be dictated by wealth or reputation, but by the facts and the law. After days of deliberation, the time for the verdict arrived. The courtroom was filled with tension, with everyone waiting to see if the judge would deliver a fair sentence or bow to the pressure surrounding the case. Samuel Dawson stood, his voice steady but resolute as he addressed the court. "Justice is not about who you are or what you have, but about what you've done. Richard Matthews has betrayed the trust of those who believed in him, and it is my duty to ensure that he answers for his actions." The judge sentenced Richard Matthews to the maximum penalty allowed under the law, making it clear that no one was above the law, no matter their race, wealth, or influence. The courtroom erupted in murmurs, with some applauding Dawson's courage, while others expressed disbelief. As Richard was escorted out of the courtroom, his face showed no remorse, only anger. He had expected leniency, but he had underestimated the strength of Judge Dawson's commitment to justice. The town, however, respected the judge even more. They realized that true justice required the courage to stand firm, even when faced with overwhelming pressure. Judge Samuel Dawson had proven that justice was not just a call, but a responsibility, one that transcended all boundaries.